Today I'm roasting more Rightmove listings. I'm going to be comparing three properties. It's going to be a fixer-upper that we're buying and we've got 50 to 60k to spend. I'm Dave, founder of Arkiplan. Okay, property number one in Oxfordshire. Looks like a porch extension was added at some point. Things looking in pretty good nick. Garden space is looking pretty small. Getting rid of the conservatory, create an open plan kitchen diner. New staircase on the first floor, a new master suite upstairs, potentially a dressing area as well. And I think that gets us everything we need within budget. Thinking of the future with this house, on the side, because we've got land there, so we could do a single story side extension. Okay, property number two. We've got a dated galley kitchen. It's going to need some pretty urgent updating. The room's actually in pretty good nick. Got a nice big garden. Bathroom is obviously going to need a full refit. Everything's a bit long and thin. This garage immediately lounge. Some sliding glass doors in this section here. We've got space for a nice island. You can have full glazing across the back. The landing is perfectly sized for adding a loft conversion that the neighbours have done. Dormer loft conversion as well, so I know we can do that. Full width dormer, it's a double bedroom and an ensuite. No land to the side, so there's no real way of us adding side extensions or anything like that. The garden, however, definitely got space there in the future if we wanted to add a detached garden room. That might get us an office or a gym. Property number three. It's got land to the side and it's got a detached garage. Long, thin galley kitchen. The garden is a really good size. Possibility of blocking this up. We could add an open plan, L-shaped kitchen diner space here. Make that bathroom bigger and shrink this bedroom. Make the landing wider, which will give us space for a staircase if we want to do the loft. Now, I don't actually think we're going to get a dormer loft conversion within budget on this one. I think a Velux only loft conversion is actually going to get us what we need. Master suite upstairs, just like the other property. I think I'd probably like to make that conservatory space more permanent. We could even pull it out a bit. That's now our open plan kitchen diner space. All three of these properties have really good potential. I think the winner today is property number three. It's got the most land around it. I'm thinking long term here. We know we have enough space to add whatever a family could need on the ground floor.